Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be trying something that has been just all over my TikTok and YouTube and everything. It is the Kiss Falscara kit. This really caught my attention and I'm really interested to see what this does and how this works, and I'm hoping that this ends up being amazing because I really want this to be my new way to do lashes. It just seems really cool, and it seems like it should be easy. So I'm gonna try it out for you guys and let you know if it actually is easy or if I'm just crazy. We'll see though. We're gonna have fun today. But that's what today is all about. So before we do start applying these, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please. Just really helps me out, and you guys get 3 videos a week from me, so don't miss out on that. Subscribe. But if you want to see my review of the Kiss Falscara lashes, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, like I said, this has been just all over the internet, and I really just needed to try it out, so I thought it would be fun to try it out with you guys, take you on this journey with me. So I have the kit. This is supposed to be the starter kit for the lashes, so that you get the glue, or it's a bond, a seal, you have the little tweezer things, and then you have the actual lashes in here. So we've got the whole thing. I'm excited to try these out, but I do have them on the Ulta website because I did get them on Ulta, and I'm gonna read what they are, what they're supposed to do, how to do it, and then we're gonna start applying. Very nervous. Very nervous. I'm really hoping that I don't mess this up because I heard that these are supposed to last you a pretty good amount of time if you keep up with them. So we shall see about that. But these are the Falscara eyelashes. It's the starter kit, like I said. This goes for $19.99, which I would say is pretty dang affordable. I feel like I've been really obsessed with the magnetic lashes because they're just easier to use, and those are $30, and then the glue to apply them with is even more expensive, so I'll take $19.99 gladly. But I'm gonna read the details for you guys, and then we'll get into how to use them, and then we'll actually start applying. So it says Falscara Eyelash Starter Kit has wisps you secure under your natural lashes for an easy to apply, amazingly natural look. It says features. If you can mascara, you can Falscara. I love that. Value priced starter kit has all you need. Most natural looking false lashes ever. Use bond to prime and prep lashes. Wisps with feather light fibers go under your natural lashes. Seal locks wisps in place. And I do have to say, I have never tried applying eyelashes underneath my natural lashes, so that's gonna be really interesting to see how that feels and looks. For the how to use, it's in steps. So it says, step 1, brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Use the Falscara eyelash applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optimal control and application. One by one, gently place the wisps underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Step 3, dab on a thin coat of seal under the wisps to eliminate any sticky residue and hold the wisps in place. And then a pro tip is to apply them starting from the outer corner and then working inwards. And then it says to put them right next to each other for a seamless look. And then the applicator is just there to squeeze them against your natural lashes for a more secure hold. It says after use, wipe off any bond residue with rubbing alcohol or makeup remover. And it says they're reusable if you're gentle with them. That's super interesting that these are reusable. I like that a lot. But one more time, here is the kit. So I am going to take this out of here. If I'm being honest, I don't really know if I plan on wearing these for multiple days. I'll probably take them off at the end of the night tonight, and then maybe reuse them later on and see how long they last, because I had eyelash extensions for my sister's wedding and they just all came off literally today. I'm not gonna lie, I was bad, and I was getting a little bit irritated at how there were hardly any left. There were 2 clumps left on each eye, so I just pulled them out. I know that's not good, but I did it. I'm sorry. And they're like all out as of today. So my timing could not have been any better with doing this. But I feel like I need to give my lashes a little bit of a break and just like some time to breathe. So I'll probably take these off at the end of the night and then I'll redo it and like try to keep them on for a longer amount of time sometime in the near future. But I really just want to see how these look and how this applies and how it works, all that. So I'm gonna take this out of the thing. Here we go. We've got our applicator. I love the colors of this. It's so cute. Blue on purple. Fitting. And then we have our Bond and Seal. I love the colors of this packaging. It's very like dreamy, and this also matches. I wore the right shirt today, not on purpose either. But then we have the actual lashes. So I think we could just get started. Let me just make sure that I'm doing this correctly. So step one is brush on the Bond underneath, I'm assuming. Let's see. I'm gonna take an outer corner. And I'm gonna put it underneath my lash. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Okay, I just finished applying. Overall, I really like this. Actually, it literally feels like there's nothing on my eyes. It feels like this is my regular eyelashes. The only thing I don't like is, I don't know if this like specific wisp is just like not matching the rest, but it's like awkwardly long at the front of my eye and I don't really like what it's doing. So that part is just a little bit weird to me. But overall, really nice. I do think there's like a little bit of a learning curve to it because first of all, with the applicator, I feel like you get product on it every time you put them on, kind of. So you have to have something there to like wipe it clean in between wisps, or like they'll get stuck to it and then it makes a little bit of a mess and it takes a little bit of time. So I would just say have something handy to like wipe this clean in between putting wisps on. The mascara did make it a little bit harder. Like I felt like, especially on this eye, it took a little more time in the front. Like it kept getting stuck on my mascara and it messed up my mascara. So I kind of had to like wipe it off and then put the wisp back on. But I feel like having mascara on with it adds a little extra something to it and it looks really pretty. It almost looks like I have a thin layer of eyeliner on. And I really like what it's doing. They look very natural yet dramatic at the same time. The only thing that's bothering me is how long this wisp on right here randomly is. Like everything else looks really nice and really good, but just that one thing is irritating me. So that's one thing I will say. The wisps were a little bit hard to put next to each other. Like if you looked really closely, I feel like you could kind of see that they're not like a straight line, but I feel like after a couple applications, like a little practice, it'll come a lot easier to me. Like this took hardly any time. I feel like it takes me more time when I'm doing like regular lashes because I have to like manipulate the whole thing and then like a corner is undone so I have to start all over again and it's like a whole process. So I actually really liked how easy this was and how little time it took, and I love how you can customize this to the size of your eyes. Like I did not use all of the wisps. There was like one left over for each eye. So if you have bigger eyes than me, you could use all of them. If you have smaller eyes, you don't have to use all of them. So it's really nice that you can customize it without having to like literally cut the eyelash. So I really like that. I like how you could just make it your own. I think it's really creative and I think it's really fun. And again, it was so easy. I feel like this would also look really nice with no makeup on, I feel like you'd have like a nice, like natural looking lash with a little drama, like give you a little something extra to your face when you don't feel like wearing makeup, but you want something on your eyes, you know? So as of right now, they feel really good. Like I said, they don't feel heavy like when you wear regular lashes. They feel super, super lightweight. Like there's nothing on my face. It's just really nice, and I can't get over how nice they look, especially this eye. I feel like I did better on this eye because of that one wisp here that's throwing me off. I'm obsessed with what this is doing. I like this too, but this is better. I just need to do it a couple more times and I feel like I will perfect it. But I love the idea of this, and I like the idea of having the product underneath. I just realized I forgot to seal it though, so let me just brush this on really quick and seal these babies in. But I guess that's all you have to do. Like, you just lightly lock it in with the sealer and that's it. It doesn't feel any different with the sealer on or off. Looks good, feels good. Hopefully they last a long time. Like I said, I'll take these off at some point tonight, but one of these days I am gonna try it with no makeup on and see if it actually lasts like a few days, like some people are saying. Overall though, I really like the idea of this. I feel like I'm gonna be using this a lot more now because they just feel really, really like nothing, and they look really beautiful. And they were so easy. That took me like no time, and I love things that are easy and that don't take a lot of like time and focus, because I get so irritated when I don't get something right the first time. So this being as easy as it is, like, comforts me a little bit, you know? So overall, I feel like for $19.99, that's so worth it. Like, I feel like you guys are gonna have fun with it. I did. Of course, I was getting a little bit frustrated with this thing randomly being long, and it's the first time I'm trying something like this, so 1 or 2 more tries and I feel like I will be a master. So I like it so far. 2 thumbs up, really fun, really cute. I love this look. I'm gonna be using this a lot more. I feel like you guys are gonna like this too, so I will say I recommend. It's a yes from me. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you've tried this, let us know what you guys think about it. If you're curious about trying it and that's why you're here, let me know what you think about how it turned out on me. If you thought it looked pretty easy, I hope I explained it as well as I could, but basically it feels and looks great. So just give me your thoughts, give this a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.